Hello colors, we all are colors. Welcome guys, welcome to our channel The Colors. Today we are gonna see how we can do automatic trading with the help of Cornix bot. So yes, we can do trading while we are driving, while we are working out in the gym, or while we are in our office. So let's talk about Cornix bot. Cornix is an automated telegram bot which allows you to copy signals from Cornix enabled telegram channels and make the trades automatically. Cornix provide many different functionalities such as setting up entry targets, take profit, trailing stop loss, setting your margin mode and choosing your leverage, and many more things. So let's deep dive into the tutorial that how can we set this Cornix bot. So for setting this Cornix bot, let's directly go to our Telegram and click on the search icon and search for Cornix. You will see Cornix trading bot and bot is written in the bottom of it. Click on this chat only, make sure that it is a bot. Now you will get a welcome message that welcome to the Cornix bot and what it can do, and they will share their YouTube and website link. You can go and check out there, but their YouTube video is not very much clear to understand. So now let's click on start and we will get this welcome message that using your bot you will be automate your crypto trading. So now we will get few buttons. We need to first turn our notifications on, accept the terms of service. Now go to notification service and enable the notifications of Cornix to your Telegram. Click on start, then return to the previous chat. Now select the exchange you would like to trade. Now we will select Binance. You can select any one of those who are listed here. Then Binance Futures USDT. Then I have a client with my Binance Futures as a name. You will get an option to set a name for your client. Now it's asking us to go to our Binance Futures and copy the API details in the format API key followed by API secret key. Now what is an API? If you are from programming background, then you must be very much familiar with this word. And for other people, the API stands for Application Programming Interface. API can be defined as an interface to interact between two entities. Like you and we are communicating through the colors channel, and we are following some protocols, like our signals are provided in a particular format. So in the same way, this API follows in particular format, and it is a way to interact with our Binance Futures account, which will be Cornix using. So let's go to our Binance account. Let's go to in browser, search for Binance. Click on Binance, the first link which is given. Now make sure that you click on the three dots on the right top of this browser to make this desktop version, or you can use your laptop. If you are using your phone, you can follow the same. Now we will just log into our Binance account on the Binance web version. Click on login. Now you will see an QR code here. You can scan this QR code. Let me just scan this using my another phone. Authorize it. Yeah, then it will log me in just a few seconds. Yeah, so now I am logged into my Binance account on the Binance web version. Now we can go, like if you are using the same phone, then you can go to your Binance app, and on the right of the search bar you can click on that scanner icon and then click on the photo. And if you want to take the screenshot of that QR which is in your browser, and just scan it, and you will be able to log in. Now on the Binance web, let's go to the profile logo at the right of the page. Click on the profile logo, then go to API management, which is at the third from the bottom. Now under API management, you will first get this screen which is asking for a label for your API. You can give any name to it, like your own name, like anything you wanna do. Like I am giving it color tutorials. Let's click on create API. Let's slide this captcha. Now we need to enter our verification codes, the number of authentications that I have set it to my account. Phone verification code, yeah. #945. Email verification code. actually my mail is not able to get synced, so it's taking a bit longer to receive this code on my mail. Oh, finally I got it. Let's enter it, 083290. Now finally go to the Google Authenticator app, copy the verification code and then paste it here. Let's go to the bottom of the page and click on submit. Now our API has been created. You can see that API name is written under the API list. Then we have option for edit restriction, and below that we have a QR, and after that there is an API key and a secret key, and after which API restrictions are written, and there are some checkboxes which are showing that this API is having those permissions. So only reading permission is there with this API currently, and we need to enable futures. So click on enable futures and it will be checked by blue tick. Under that we have IP access restrictions, which is currently set it to unrestricted. If you set it to restricted access to trusted IPs, you need to enter your Cornixbot IP, which is a very hectic process and I don't recommend to go this way. Now let's click on unrestricted, as we have given only futures permission, not the withdrawal permission, as you can see here. So which is this thing is not of any problem. If anyhow someone manages to like hack our API keys, then he can only open the trades for us, he can't withdraw our money. So let's click on save. Now again we have to enter the verification code which is being sent to our mobile. Yeah, I just got it. So 891979. Yeah, so it's done. We have got our API made. Whoa. Let's now take this API and secret key and give it to Cornixbot so he can interact with our Binance account. Let's go to chat. Now click on the paste and then place a comma and a space, and then copy secret key from your Binance web and then paste it here too, and click on the send button. Now configuration added. Client name my Binance futures. You want to connect to? Yes, we want to connect to for auto trading for this client. Now we have to connect a channel. Click on a connect a channel. If you join colors, you will see the colors here. If you can't see the colors, just click on I can't see my channel, and in the chat box provide the name of the channel which is in capital, the colors with apostrophe s, or enter the link of the channel. Now we have connected the colors to auto trading successfully. Now we will go back to main menu. Just click on main menu. Now whenever you launch Cornixbot, you will get this welcome console where you have many buttons, and just click on this menu button whenever you get stuck and send the start command. You will be taken back. Now let's go to auto trading. You see here exchange is Binance futures, client is my Binance futures, and auto trading is enabled, and channel we are following is the colors. Now let's go back to main menu again. Now we will do the bot configuration, that how trades are being opened and what is different configuration. Now go to auto trading, bot configuration, then trading, then choose your client, whatever name you have provided. Here you can like update your client. As we have seen that our API key access is unrestricted, it will get expired. You can update it the same here. Now again come to main menu. Just click on bot configuration. Just click on bot configuration. Not able to click it yet. Yeah, then trading, then your client, then we have this specification script, which is the default settings that Cornix have set it up for our client. You can see there are too many settings, like general, which has amount per trade, close trade on, take profit before entry, trailing stop loss is there, strategies for entry and take profits are there. As you can see, like we can also define how many number of entry targets do we have. After that we have stop loss, and it's written override no, so we haven't yet provided our own settings, so we haven't overridden the Cornix default settings yet. Now we have many more things here, auto trading filters and margin. So let's not go deep into this and set our own settings for Cornix bot, that how we are gonna open our trades and what will be the configuration for the same. Now let's go to general first. Click on general. Under that you will see these three options: amount per trade. Here you can see that 4 options are being provided, how you wanna set amount per trade: fixed USD amount or percentage wise, or fixed BTC amount or risk percentage. You can choose any of that. I will choose fixed USD amount. So let's just click on fixed USD amount. Fixed USD amount. Then I will choose 20 USD as I am having 100 USD in my wallet. Just click on 20 USD. This will be the amount for single trade. Now let's again go to bot configuration, trading, choose client, then go to general. We have set it the first option already, and we don't need to care for the rest of the two as of now. Let's go back to main menu again. Now click now the second option is trailing stop loss, which if you want you can set. Let's ignore it for now. Just click on strategy. Now entry strategy. Now you can see here are many strategies, that 1 target, 2 target, 3 target, 50 on first target, decreasing exponential and increasing exponential. So these are the default strategies which are provided by Cornix bot. In decreasing exponential, your entries will be decreasing exponentially at each entry point, and in increasing it will be increasing at each entry point exponentially. So let's add a custom strategy of our own. Click on add custom strategy. Now you can see that default settings are, there are 4 entry targets, and we have divided 25% of our investment amount, which we set it to $20, into 4 parts. You can click on these buttons given below the message and choose how much percent you want to set for particular target. So I have set a target 1 as 40% of my trade amount, second is 25%, third is 25%, and fourth is also 25%. Make sure that sum of all these targets should be less than 100%. Now I have saved this, and I have to give name. I will give my. So we have set an entry strategy. Now let's go back and set take profit strategy. Now as you can see here also are those 4 options. Also we can modify here that how much profit we want to book when each of the target hits. Let's click on target 1, then target 2, target 3, target 4, 5, 6, 7. Just keep choosing your percentage, whichever amount of percent you want to book on hitting each target. As in colors we provide some signals with 7 targets, few with 5 targets. It will book accordingly, and make sure that the sum of these all percentages should be less than 100. As I had put it more than 100, so I need to edit. Now it's 25, 10, 25, 45 and 60 and 75 and 85 and 90, and now it's 10. Now you need to set a name for this strategy. I have sent it my and send it. Now let's go back. We have set an entry take profit. Now let's go back to main menu. We have set our strategies. Now let's go to stop loss. In stop loss you will get these 4 features. Let's first set stop type to limit. By default it is set it to market. These are other 2 options. Now let's go to stop type and click on limit. Now we have set it up as stop loss. We don't need to touch other settings there. Now another things we need to set is margin. Under margin, go to leverage, click on leverage. There's a lag. Yeah, click on all symbols, then choose I cross, and then choose your specified leverage or whatever the leverage you want to take by default for your trades. If you don't provide any, then it will follow the trade leverage which is given in the channel. Let's for now click on 10x, and I have chosen cross because I feel cross is more safe whenever we are not on the screen. So let's go back. Now we have set it the margin to. Now we are ready, and our client is connected to the channel, and we will be able to follow all the signal posted there. Just we need to do a additional configuration. We need to go to bot configuration and go to channel and the colors and connect to auto trading, as we have already set it client to channel, but now we are setting channel to client. So both way it is compatible. Now we have set it, and now you will be able to follow all the signals which are posted on the colors, and you will be able to do auto trading happily. So I hope you were able to like get what we did in the video, and this is about the subscription. After 14 days, if you want to take subscription, these are the plans which you can check on the Cornix website too. So thank you guys. I hope you have liked the content. If so, just don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and also make sure to follow us on Telegram and like follow the future signals which we give there. Thank you.